This tutorial looks at how to knit using the I-cord technique. It's a fun and easy method to create a tube of knitting, which means it's perfect for making ties on cardigans or jumpers. It's good for making belts on larger garments or even straps on camisoles. To begin, you cast on the number of stitches that your pattern requires. Here I've cast on 3, and you can use any cast on method that you like. And then, just like normal, you knit across those stitches. But then, rather than turning your work like you usually would, you're going to slide those stitches all the way to the other end of your needle. This is why you need to be using either double pointed needles or circular. Continue to repeat those 2 steps, knitting across your row and then sliding your stitches to the other end of your needles. You're never turning your work, and so you're always going to be starting your row knitting into the same stitch. When you knit your first stitch, pull your yarn quite tight so that you cinch the first and last stitch together. Keep going until you've created the length of cord that you desire. Happy knitting!